Welcome back, everybody. I know it's been a little bit, but today we have the new V-Box, the Calyrex Shadow Rider V-Box. There are two versions of this box. I was only able to get this one, so we'll make do with that. But before I do that, I did pull a card off camera that will go into what I call the vault, which is every card, all of my little collectibles, like my Umbreon, Urshifu, Charizard, Urshifu, Espeon, my Pikachu, Salamence. This is more like a grading pile, things I want to have sent in to get graded. So it's not too bad. I got some sports, little sports, and then my Jordan Alvarez. So that is what I call the vault. Put everything back in order. And the card that we will be adding is something I've been looking for a long time, and I pulled it maybe a few hours ago. And it is the Tyranitar V alternate art, where he just got done eating at a buffet, and poor little guy didn't get anything, or he's just so scared that he will be eaten next. Bam. But this might be my new favorite card. So we will add him to the pile of alt arts. There we go. Well, let's get into this box. Maybe we can add even another card into the vault. That'd be nice. I've yet to pull any Chilling Reign alternates, secret rares, hyper rares. I've been pretty bad with this set. Okay, get rid of all the stuff that we don't want. Move all this aside. Grab our packs and a code card for my lovely fans. Trash. You get the jumbo and the regular. Go ahead and do that. And I think that, I'm not sure, but there were some really big sleeves at Walmart today, and now that I think about it, I wonder if they're for the jumbo cards. If it is, that'd be nice. But in this box, you get Chilling Reign, Darkness Ablaze, and our Rebel Clash. So we'll start with Rebel Clash. Oh man, that was weird. Okay. Code. 3 to the front. Giving Umbreon the start. And let's see what we got. We got Beware. Pelosan, Training Court, Snuffle, Coughing, Impidimp, Shinx, Sandagast, Curse Shovel, and Aegislash. Darn. Alright. Move that aside. Darkness Ablaze. Still looking for that Charizard VMAX. I have the V, which is great. Trying to finish it off with that VMAX. Geez, these are hard to open. Oh man, code. Bad code. Water to Glaceon. Furret, Rare Fossil. Fletchinder, Golett, Hippopotamus, Larvigas, Gothorita, Orta, Del Kitty. Alright, the packs that I'm more eager to open. And they're opening like dog crap too. And code. 3 flipping steel. And we got Honey. Impact Energy. Path to the Peak. Furfrou. Diglett. Larvesta. Inkay, Rockruff, Chestplate, and Persimmon. Not what I'm hoping for. So far we have got nothing from this dud of a box. Code 3 Dark. Good job, Umbreon. Alright. Laron, Steenie, Rugged Helmet, Sneasel, Snover, Blitzel, Ghastly, Coughing, Slurpuff, and to finish it off today, a Zangoose. Wow. 4 green cards. What a box. What a box. Well, that will do it for today. I am counting down the days till my daughter is born. So I will try to push out as much content as possible till then, because when that happens, I probably won't be posting as much. But I am getting a stockpile of cards going, so since I won't be going anywhere for about 6 weeks, I will have stuff to open, and I will try to make videos on it. So till then, I will see y'all next time.